Mihang'o ya guthikuria aria mathikirwo ni tiiri mwena wa Chesogon Elgeyo Marakwet no irathie na mbere guku family nyingi cigithie na mbere kuroria maitho kuri andu a wendi mwega niguo mamahe uteithio wa irio riri mathamitio miciini yao ni muiyuro na ituika. Ona mihang'o ino igithiaga na mbere ni kwambitie kuoneka utheri wa kuona andu amwe aria mathikanirio ni tiiri ona gutuika maronekana icunje. Gavana wa Elgeyo Marakwet Alex akiuria thirikari kumateithiriria na njira ya gwika DNA niguo matamburwo ni endwa ao.
The body parts which were picked and they are being kept at our morgue in Tot sub-county hospital. We are hoping that the government will support us so that they can do DNA tests and identify, so that at least those families can have a good send-off for their people.
Tolgos augite family nyingi iria ciathamirio miciini yao no ciratangikirwo, akiuga kwa unyitaniri na andu a wendi mwega ni maramahe irio na indo ingi cia bata iria marabatara kwa ihinda riri.
And I think part of this support will go to those victims, because as we know at the moment we have people who are living in camps, and these are very vulnerable people, because with people living in one area, the issues of social distance and even protection, they need the masks, they need the hand sanitizers, they need to wash their hands, they need the soap.
We are very grateful because those 4 wards will be served by what we have brought today. And so for that, we are standing and we want to say, after coronavirus, there will be life.
Uteithio uria munene uratoro wadi-ini cia Ebobut, Sabiril na Endo kuria ni kwa ikari mahutirio na njira nene. Handu-ini ha Inoro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Windrose Wangui.